popular Indian comedian Kapil Sharma's cafe in Canada, Caps Cafe, has become the target of two shooting incidents within just 1 month, sparking major concerns about safety and organized crime threats abroad. The cafe, co-owned by Kapil and his wife Ginni Chatrat, is located in Surrey, British Columbia. The first attack occurred on 10 July 2025 when gunshots were fired at the establishment. The bullets shattered windows and left holes in the structure, but fortunately, no one inside was injured. At the time of the attack, employees were present in the building. Now, in a shocking repeat, a second attack has taken place. On 7th August, a total of 25 bullets were fired at the cafe. According to official reports, two criminal gangs, one led by Gurpreet Singh aka Goldie Dhillon and the other by Lawrence Bishnoi, have allegedly claimed responsibility for the shootings via social media. A disturbing Facebook post surfaced following the latest incident, where Goldie Dhillon, said to be affiliated with the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, admitted to the attack and even issued a warning directed at the comedian. The post reads, "Jai Shri Ram. Sat Shri Akal, Ram Ram to all brothers." The firing that happened today at Kapil Sharma's Caps Cafe in Surrey has been claimed by Goldie Dhillon, affiliated with the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. The Surrey Police Service, SPS, has confirmed the second firing incident and released an official statement regarding the case. According to the statement, on 7th August, SPS frontline officers responded to a report of shots fired outside a business in the 8400 block of 120 Street. The same business was the location of a similar incident on 10th July. Numerous SPS police resources and Delta Police Department units responded, and while it appears multiple shots caused damage to the windows and building, fortunately the staff on premises were uninjured. Ironically, this second shooting came just days after Caps Cafe hosted a community lunch for Surrey Mayor Brenda Locke and members of the Surrey Police Service, aimed at promoting unity, safety, and community solidarity. While no injuries have been reported in either incident, the repeated attacks and public threats have raised serious concerns about targeted violence and gang-related intimidation. Authorities continue their investigation, and the local community remains hopeful that peace will soon return, without any further harm to individuals or property.